Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to merge files in Kilonotes. Open the app and then you will have to click on the settings icon on the right, and here you can find merge notes. Select the ones you would like to merge. It's important which one you click on first, because this will be the first in the new document and the second will be the second, of course. Click on merge, and before that you should decide whether you would like to delete the original file or keep them. So I'll click on keep and confirm. Wait a few seconds, and then we have a new merged file right here. So it's 30 pages, and we will find that yes, here is the second document, so I can use them all in one document. We don't have to jump between the two of them. I hope it will be useful, and have a nice day.